Hey guys, NoBones12 here. Today we have a Codep Meteor ceiling fan. New in box. Antique brass. I'm gonna unbox it, but I might tape back up. I also got this along with this decorative and these Panama blades and some light oak and those brackets. Our choice of unboxing today will be with this. Just some info. This is from 1984. There. Man, that's hard. Oh. I'm just hoping it isn't too oxidized. There's the nice stencil blades. I'm concerned. That's a little bit odd. Well, that's what oxidation does to it, I guess. Oh well, that'll be fine. Here's the canopy. Here's the old instructions. I'm not going to be taking things out of the wrappers. Here's our detachable switch housing. Hardware. I was curious to see what pull chain it came with. It comes with a Codep pull chain. Let's see if I'll focus on it. I paid $25 for this. This is interesting. One second. Okay, well, I tried to get this off a bit. Man, that's being stiff in there. I'll be right back. I'll be able to get that out. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. Here's the motor. Looks like a 188 by 5. It's not cast iron, but it's nice. Probably be packing it back now. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Maybe I'll make a video of it running sometime.